I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and it's Wednesday, May 28th. I want to look at Bitauto today in this free chart video. By the way, members, I taught a 1-hour live trading webinar today. That suffices for our strategy session, so you can view that. You've got the link below in this email, so check that out. Turned out to be pretty good. A lot of opportunities, a lot of setups, things like that. So, and I'll be doing that every once in a while through the summer. We're calling it our summer stock series, so definitely I want you to check that out. Okay, reason I'm looking at Bitauto, frankly, one of the reasons is because Zillow, which I talked about, I've been kind of pumping that, for lack of a better term. I'm sure there is one. For a while now, because of this big cup that it's been forming. I mean, it's a really, really nice pattern, kind of a bowl right along the 50 and the 200-day moving average. Zigzags, this is working. It's hard for me to keep coming back to this and saying like, hey, you know what I said before? Well, it still works. So I'm finding a different one. It's a tighter pattern, but the pattern's still the same. There, now it looks the same. We've got a pullback. It's still above the 200-day moving average, which is actually a plus. You know, it reveals how strong the stock is, but it's been trading right through the 50-day moving average and is up 45.17, not quite to this high yet here, but this is a stock that I think works. It's been kind of a bear killer. Nice consolidation here. So my suggestion would be go ahead and get long this stock. You can buy it right here. You look at the weekly chart, it looks like it's just kind of getting going. To me, it seems like 50 bucks is a foregone conclusion, and you might say, well, you know, that's $4.75, Dan. No, it's 10%. A little over 10% from where it is right now. And if I start giving you $60, $70 price targets, then I'm basically telling you that I think you're pretty stupid to believe me. Well, I don't think that. We got to take this thing one move at a time. That's the way I take my trades, and it's frankly the way you should too. So we're looking here at a price target of say 50 bucks, and that gives you kind of a good risk reward profile. You're looking to make 10%. You set a trailing stop so that you're not risking 10%. So anyway, I think this trade works. I think it's going to work just fine. It's up substantially on kind of a semi-sluggish day in the market. The market just won't go down. But Bitauto keeps going up, so there's your trade. Okay, members, get over to the quote strategy session, which was our intraday market analysis session.